Hello, my name is Forrest Gump. You want a chocolate? I could eat about 1.5 million of these. My mama always said life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Those look like comfortable shoes. I'll bet you could walk all day in shoes like that and not feel a thing. I wish I had shoes like that.
My feet hurt.
Mama always says there's a lot you can tell about a person from their shoes, where they're going, where they've been. I've worn lots of shoes. I bet if I think about it real hard, I can remember the first pair of shoes. Mama said they'd take me anywhere.